Hi, let's see how can we make this type of video clips from a single image using Web2Lip. So in order to make such video clips, I have used this specific paper named Web2Lip, you know. So in this, using this model, you can generate fake clips in a video using audio clip that could be in MP3, WAV, or even MP4 format. Okay, you can learn more about this model reading this paper, link of which you can find in the Git repo, or I'll be mentioning in the description as well. Okay, so here we will be using this specific Colab notebook, but since in order to generate fake clips you need a video, but what we have is an image. This image of mine is generated using stable diffusion. Okay, I have used this image, but this image has to be converted into a video. So we just can create a video from an image after stacking all those images onto one another. Okay, just download this notebook, that link of which I'll be sharing. Run this cell as it is. Here in this line, like this is the link of this model. Here it is. Here is model. You can use any other model as well, but I have specifically downloaded this model, this Web2Lip plus GAN model, into my drive and then pasted this link so that you don't need to waste your time and need to do anything. Just run this line. Then you need to you'll be running this entire Git repo in your drive. Then run this line to download the entire Git repo. Okay, clone it here. Just run this line. Then this cell, and then here we will be converting our recorded audio, if that is in M4A format, into an M3 format, or into an WAV format as well. So the audio I have recorded here, it is in my computer in M4A format, and I have used this code to convert it into an WAV file. Okay, so the file I already have downloaded into Colab Repo from my local memory. Okay, you can just drag and drop it here, which I already have done it. Drag and drop, or you can also download that MP3 or that image file and audio file using from here as well. Okay, that I already have done. Now run this code and this code as well, so that you can see the audio, or you can play that audio as well. The audio clip is almost around 8 seconds, so the video has to be, that we will be making from that image, it has to be of 8 seconds as well. So the video you want is of 8 seconds and of 20 fps. So they said it should be at least 160 frames, but for padding purpose we used 170 frames. Okay, let's run this code. Then it will generate that video, okay, from this image. The path of it, you can just copy the path, download the image and paste it. Okay, now if you run this code, what are you getting? None type object has no attribute shape. Oh, taken the import. We need this copy path. We need the yeah. Be careful while you will be pasting the path. It should be exact. Okay, now it has worked. It has generated this video.avi file You can see it has generated just a second ago. Okay, now just convert it into an M4A file. Here it is, this MP4 format. Now you can play it. Just copy the path of this MP4 file here, run this. You can see it is not speaking, the lips are still no audio because we have done nothing. Then run this, and this cell as well. Here this model will be used to detect the face inside the video. Now here is the actual line, actual task. Here we will be running this WAV2LIP model to generate that fake video from this original video output.mp4. Okay, copy the path, you can paste it here. Here in this audio clip, the link should be from there. Copy the path and paste it here. Be careful about the paths. It should be, should be done carefully, otherwise nothing will work. Just run this cell. I already have done that, and this is time consuming, so I already have done it previously. Okay, now run this cell. Okay, after this cell, that particular fake video will be generated inside WAV2LIP folder here in this results folder. So just copy the path here. Now paste it here. And just run it. It bought your video, and you can download this video to your local machine as well from here. Just download it. Okay, now use your creativity to generate more videos. You can use any MP4 video where you want to, like from that you want to generate fake faces or fake clips. Okay, and if you want to know how I have made this image of mine using stable diffusion,